Hey there, so I'm going to tell you about micro arugula now. And so you can see I'm actually surrounded by some of our microgreens growing in the farm. Microgreens really just means something that's very young. It's normally between maybe a week to 3 to 4 weeks old. And its characteristic is really that it's going to be a tiny little sprout. And it's something where we're going to grow these products and they grow pretty fast. And we want them to reach this, probably that kind of size, sometimes a little bit more. And chefs really love using them because they have a lot of flavor and a lot of nutrition, which is great, but also they're small and delicate and they can look really pretty on a plate. So if you're putting together a smaller dish where you want it to have some flavor and have a great appearance, microgreens are a really great choice. And you can see them now, even in some supermarkets, you can buy them. We obviously sell them. You'll probably find them at your farmer's market as well. And so check them out if you haven't used them already. So micro arugula is one variety that's always really, really popular. You might be familiar with regular arugula, wild arugula, or some people call it rocket or roquette or rucola. It's all the same thing. And what's characteristic about it, it's got this, I call it a kind of nutty, a little bit spicy taste. It's got a real presence to it that I really like. And I'm gonna just show you what that's like with a microgreen. So normally we wouldn't harvest this like this. We would harvest a whole tray at once. And so it's unusual to dip in there in the middle, but the micro arugula, shake it out there. So it's just a couple of inches tall, and yeah, what I'm gonna get from that, it's really nice. It's got a warmth to it. It's got an actual presence to it. And some lettuce I find and some other salad greens, like you're chewing on it, isn't really a lot going on. Whereas this, it packs a real sort of nice hearty punch. So you can build a salad out of these micros, maybe just a really light dressing. Goes really well with like a lemon flavor. That's more traditional sort of preparation. Or, if you've got a heartier dish, some people like, a cut of meat like a steak or something like that, and partnering some microgreens as well. So it's a way of kind of lightening up something that might be a little bit heavy. I'd use this more in a kind of savory application. If you're adventurous, you might try it on a dessert, but traditionally it's going to be more in the earlier part of the meal. And it's something that, if you're a home cook and you're not feeling very creative, it's something that literally just a simple salad of this, maybe some other items, goes really well with a cherry tomato, maybe some balsamic or something pretty easy like that. It's going to be a really nice little simple dish. So check it out, micro arugula.